Hi everyone, and welcome to a more majestic home decor and DIY. I'm Annette Morris, and I'm bringing to you a challenge that is a monthly challenge here on YouTube, and the title is the Look for Less Challenge. Our wonderful host for this monthly collaboration is Yami, the Latino next door, and her co-host for this month is Haley from The Farmer and the Southern Belle. Now for this challenge, I have been looking at several seashell paintings that I want to put together, and I actually had did a coastal theme last year, and I'm bringing it back this year. And I did a painting that I wanted to finish up and to frame for this year. This one here reminded me of a DIY wreath that I did, so I decided to do a painting. So I decided that I'll paint this also to bring my whole decor together with not only the wreath but also a painting of a wreath of seashells. What the cost of everything here, it should be no less than $10. I'm using a foam board from Dollar Tree, and this is really paint that I had around the house. So I didn't use that much far as spending anything. I just used what I had around the house. Now I had somewhat of a challenge trying to get the color that I wanted for the background color. So I went through the paint that I chose, and I just started mixing up colors until I was satisfied with the background color. Now it's like a greenish blue that I'm trying to mix together here. And that the chart that I showed you is the exact color that I need. So I'm trying to put these mixed together, these colors, to give me that background color. Okay, I really think we're ready now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the color worked out just fine. So now we're ready to move on to the next step. I'm using this plate to position exactly where I want to place the wreath and the shells on the painting. Okay, and this is how I look at another angle. Okay, so now that we have our background together, now to add our seashells. So I made a pattern for each seashell shape that I'll be using and be painting on this so you can see how it would go around the wreath. And these are the actual shells that I'll be painting. In the original painting, there's a wreath look to the painting, so that's what I'm getting ready now to add the background wreath. Now it's time to add the colors and the detail to the shells. And now I'm just adding more detail to each shell to bring the shell look out on the wreath. I would like to thank our hosts for this collaboration, Yami and Haley. A link to their channels will be down in the box down below. Also, a link to the playlist will be listed down below to check out the other wonderful creators in this collaboration. Did I meet the challenge? Comment down below and let me know. Now, as you can see, those seashell paintings was very pricey. Tell me what you think. And don't forget to share and like. Have you subscribed yet? Take the time and subscribe down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, come back and be a part of my Amor family here on my channel. Come back and visit me here at Amorjestic Home Decor and DIY. See you next time, and thank you, Amors.